All right, Jeff's getting ready to head out and get picked up, and then Stumbleine and I are going to continue on north. So, been a great trip, and we will see him up the way when we get home. So, all right, thanks guys. We will. I'll keep you up to date on what's going on today, and that's it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's been a lot of water crossings today. A lot of like seeps and stuff like that. So it's been interesting compared to yesterday where it was really dry. But we stopped for a little bit at Wapiti. Actually took an hour break there. We're headed up the mountain. I think it's Sugar Run. So I think this is the last climb before Petersburg. There's some smaller ups and downs, but I think this is the last major climb. So we'll keep you up to date. Stumbleina mentioned, she's like, so if I wanted to zero tomorrow, I only needed to go how far? I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we're just playing it by ear and see where we get. So, all right. All right, so we made it to the shelter. It just has been pouring down, raining. Our feet are now completely soaked. The trail was a literal creek. So
Sorry.
all Stumbelina's bandages have fallen off her feet, so it's gonna be interesting in the morning. We've got minimum 8.4 to go to get to Cross Avenue in Pearisburg, where we can get picked up by the hostel. So we're gonna try and dry out. It looks like the sun may come back out. Don't know. We're just gonna kind of see. I think we're gonna stay here. No reason with it being this wet. We're the only people here so far. Grizz and Vader are on their way here. I got a bee trying to lick salt off me or something. So we're gonna sleep in the shelter and then head out in the morning. So keep you guys up to date. All right, so it's the end of the day. It is 8:13. We're gonna head to bed here in just a little bit, probably as soon as it gets dark. And then we're gonna get up early, head into Pearisburg and get some food, figure out what we're gonna do about staying, and I'll let you guys know and keep you up to date.